Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews doing another video today. I was talking to a coworker today and he's like, hey, you should do quick tips for all the phones you have, maybe how to screenshot, how to do this, how to do that. So I'm going to try something new on my channel. I usually don't do this type of video, but I'm going to start with my Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. On this video, yes, it's going to be pretty quick. I'm going to just show you how to take a screenshot. You can actually use this if you have the Xperia XA2 also, because it's the same software. There's two different ways that you can take a screenshot. The first way is the normal. You hold down the power button and the volume down button. You hold them down together. There's your screenshot. That's actually pretty cool. The second way is even better. At least to me, it's cooler. But you just hold down the power button. Instead of just turning off your phone, you can actually hit take a screenshot, and guess what it does? It takes a screenshot. So all you need to do if you want to edit that, you go into your photos. There it is. You hit the little edit button, and you want to do photo editor. And it brings it up. You can do multiple things to it. You can write on it. You can crop it and everything else. So yeah, that's just a quick tip for today on your Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra and your Sony Xperia XA. Again, I'm going to try this out for every device that I get in the future. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more videos coming up on this Xperia XA2 Ultra. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.